everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tools to make your tech life easier. Are you tired of dealing with those annoying iOS issues? You know, the ones that make you want to pull your hair out? Well, say goodbye to those frustrations because I've got a game changer for you. Introducing AnyFix iOS Fix, your ultimate iOS rescue squad. This tool is designed to tackle all those pesky issues that disrupt your digital life. Imagine this. You're on an important call, and suddenly, your iPhone decides to freeze. It's like your phone has a mind of its own, right? That's where AnyFix swoops in like a superhero to save the day. It's like having your very own tech savior at your fingertips. AnyFix is designed to handle over 130 different system issues. Yes, you heard that right, 130. And it's super easy to use, no technical skills required. Even if you're not tech savvy, you can navigate through the software with ease. AnyFix works on both Windows and Mac, so no matter what kind of computer you have, you're covered. Plus, with the lifetime subscription, you get ongoing access and updates for a one-time purchase. No recurring fees. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to unlock your special offer and start enjoying a hassle-free iOS experience with AnyFix. Thanks for watching and happy fixing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tech tips and solutions.